Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no SIM card detected on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. So first, we want to remove and reinsert the SIM card carefully. So what we're going to do is, first we're needing the SIM tray opener. Now let's go over and put our phone like this. Here on the left side, whenever our camera is looking down, we got the SIM tray, so we want to put it in. Now it'll look like this, and as you guys can see, we are opening it. Let me just put the phone back. As you guys can see, it has no SIM right now. And here, what are we gonna do is we're simply gonna reinsert the card. So before we reinsert it, we're gonna grab a soft cloth, and we're gonna use a soft cloth to give it a little bit of a clean. So what I like to do is I like to put it like this on my finger so that I can easily just access it. Make sure that you do not scrub it hard enough, or else it just won't work properly. And once we have 100% certainty, we should put the card back in, and now we are certain that it will work. You can also try and give it a little clean from here, since we touched it a little. And once you give it a little bit of a clean, you should go and put the card in. So we're putting the card in. Now, as you guys can see, we want to make sure that our SIM tray is flat, and as you guys can see, we have to enter the SIM pin. So that's how I know that our card works just fine, because we just had to enter the pin for it. Now, what we want to do is, if it's still not working in this phone, we can test the SIM in another phone to confirm the functionality of the SIM card. And of course, the next step is to update our software. So we're going to open up settings and scroll down to system all the way to the bottom, go to system update, and you want to make sure that you are on the latest version. So click on More Online Update. Now, as you guys can see, my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating your software. And that's basically it for the video. As a last resort, of course, you can go to reset phone and reset Wi-Fi settings, so you can reset your Wi-Fi, mobile network, and Bluetooth settings. But as you guys can see, you will simply get rid of the issue. So that's it for the video. Again, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.